didn't get an eye, did it? Okay.
I'm just jumping. It's my song. I love her.
Now, normally, if somebody wanted their lashes cleansed, you would use the same brush to cleanse the eyelashes. I'm gonna leave one alone. Somebody said, "Well, let them fall off naturally," or something like that. You said something, so I'm gonna because they'll come off if I brush them. You know what I mean? Because I'm kind of rough. That's why you need an eye expert or a lash expert, and they're good on being gentle.
Sorry.
Her, she makes really good music.
I think she's so underrated.
Highly. Her and Alex Isley.
Who's Alex Isley?
Oh, man, yes.
Who's
Both
that?
of them,
She
they're
related
like,
to Isleys?
yeah, they're like the same,
Like,
underrated.
really?
Yeah, highly. I love their music. Both of them are like,
You have to check her out.
They make
It
really,
is a
really
she,
good.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they make really, really good,
Like soul
sedative, sultry, seductive, transporting type of music,
Yeah. I need to check her out.
Now, is she a relation to Isley? I don't know.
Okay.
It might be because
that's a random, yeah.
Alright, so now we're gonna do extractions.
Okay.
I'm gonna extract the one little bump right here, because that's the only bump I see.
I felt that sucker too.
And then we'll do a little bit of extractions on the nose, maybe the chin area. Everything else you're doing really great.
Okay, that one on the cheek was looking at me this morning.
It goes to me right here. Okay. Be a little bit of a pinch. Good. Got it.
Thank you, because that's when I felt it.
There's another one right here. Good. Those are easy to pop.
I feel them. Like, okay, y'all.
Yeah, they gotta go. Oh, there's a one right on the chin. So you should lift up for me a little bit. Perfect, right there. Good.
That one's a little difficult.
There's another one right here. Good.
I felt that one. I felt every single one of them. Pop, pop, pop.
On this side, everything nice and smooth.
Okay. Thank you.
Good nose. Not so difficult because it's just, you keep your nose clean. It's very nice.
Thank you.
But it's important to really feel like, oh, this is what they be going through. Okay, them distractions be.
Now I feel.
Okay.
Because when I was poking at my daughter's face that day, I didn't realize that's what was happening.
Yeah, they're very spicy. That's why I try to get rid of acne quickly in the game. I try to cleanse first, and then get rid of any type of bumps on the client's face real quick.
So you did a nice soapy cleanse first. Wash that up, wipe that off, and then do the skin analysis.
Yeah, and all they just knew you only had a few, like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
That was easy. I didn't need to tell you about them because you already knew, like, oh yeah, I have that.
No, actually, I only knew about that one.
Really? Yeah, the other ones were easy. They just came right on out.
But you had an eye for 'em because I didn't see those. And you went right to them. I'm up here thinking I got one bump. Girl, please. One bump plus 3.
And it's not anything I'm gonna say about bad people, you know, people not being vaccinated, whatever. I'm just showing certain estheticians because they actually do have a license in certain places, and they're finally feeling the fucking sting. I was like, I warned you.
Right.
If you have, this is the bad thing about a license, because now you're restricted. Like, especially if you have, even if you have a salon or something on a base, military base, oh yeah, them jokers want you to be vaccinated ASAP.
And you gotta show it.
Yeah, they exactly right at the gate. And let's just say you are on that base, you're making good money. Shit, that money has stopped instantly just because you don't want to get vaccinated. And I'm not saying you should get vaccinated. I'm just saying you may have to play ball in certain areas. You're gonna have to. Those 3 CEOs at Amazon, those jokers are getting paid like $270,000 to almost $300,000 a year, and they fired all 3 of them because they didn't want to get the vaccination. Really? They warned them several times, like over a year ago. Said, hey, stop going to these meetings without a mask. Everybody else is wearing a mask. If you can pay that much money, you can shoot me every day.
Yeah, that's
well, not every day, but you know, once a month. Okay, I'll take it once a month. Go ahead. But come on, you're making them $300,000 a year. Plus your bonuses, you're losing everything. You have 401s, you have all this other incentives, free company car. You're traveling from place, but take the fucking shot. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. At that point, now see, if you're not being incentivized, okay, I can understand this reluctancy because you don't know. But if I'm being paid, and I'll take it. So.
Yeah, I get it.
And that's what I want these estheticians to realize, because some people are calling and saying, what should I do? Like, I'm not telling you to get the shot.
That's your bread and butter,
Right. Can your kids survive without the shot? Can your husband? Is he going to be mad that you, or she? I'm just trying to wake people up, that's all. Because I get where you're mad. I get it. But I'm not against you and I'm not against them either. Right. It's just, sometimes we got to pick our battles.
You got to do what you got to do.
Right.
That's what it is.
Lord.
I get it.
So in this video, I know you guys have heard me complain, bitch, moan, and groan, and gripe, and complain about the vaccination, the outbreak, the 38 days later, or wait, is it 28 days later?
28 days.
It's 20. We're in our almost 2 years. What is 2 years?
Oh my gosh.
Our 700 and, or wait.
That's
our
crazy.
800
First
day?
of all,
it is crazy.
This is like one of those movies with the zombies walking around like day 905.
It is, right. So